Amana error code E10 signifies a voltage protection error, meaning your appliance, such as a washer, dryer, or sometimes refrigerator or oven, is detecting an unstable or incorrect voltage level from your power supply. This is a safety mechanism to prevent damage to internal components like motors and electronic control boards. The appliance's control board monitors the incoming voltage, and if it falls outside a safe range, typically below 110 volts or above 130 volts in a 120-volt system, the E10 code appears, and the appliance locks out to protect itself. Common causes include power surges, faulty outlets, loose wiring connections, or fluctuations in the electrical grid. Newer Amana models may even proactively alert you to voltage issues via a smartphone app before the error code appears. Determine if this is only happening with one appliance or multiple. First, unplug the appliance and check the outlet with a multimeter to confirm it's providing the correct voltage around 120 volts. If the voltage is incorrect, contact an electrician to address the wiring issue. If the outlet is fine, try resetting the appliance by unplugging it for 1 to 2 minutes, then plugging it back in. Install a surge protector to prevent future voltage spikes. If the problem persists, especially in older models, inspect the control board for damaged components like swollen capacitors. Replacing these components or the entire control board may be necessary, but this requires technical skills. If DIY repair is not something you are comfortable with, consider calling an appliance repair technician, especially if the appliance is still under warranty. Finally, if you live in an apartment complex, report the issue to the landlord, as it could be related to the building's electrical wiring.